This video is intended for beginner users. Maybe you've just downloaded the software or you've purchased the UDC software and installed it and you're looking at the UDC software for the first time. So as you see here, like any other Windows application, you've got file and other type of drop-down menu structures. Looking over here, you can see the IP addresses on your local machine that you're running the UDC software on. As you can see, you can have more than one IP address. This section here is the properties windows, where you're going to find properties panels for various elements in the software. So we're going to go down and select the controllers tab and add UDC 400 controller. So we type a name in here for our controller and click the add controller button. Now you see the UDC 400 controller interface to the left. It gives us 40 buttons and by default is various colors. So we have a controller. The next thing we need is to define a device to control. As you can see in this drop down list, we currently don't have any devices, so we click add device and type in a name for that device. We're gonna use a Spider video processor as a device to control today. So we type in Spider as the name and look down at the command sets underneath. Command sets are the protocols to communicate with different devices. So each device you want to communicate with, you need to attach a command set to that device. So we go to video processors and down to Vista Systems and find Spider X20 UDP command set. So when we click on that, you see at the bottom of the device properties, the command set is Spider X20 UDP. So we want to change the IP address of this device to be the IP address of the Spider and make sure you're on the same network, which you can see in the Your IP section. Make sure you're on the same network with the Spider. So we have a controller, we have a device. Now we want to click on a button to edit the properties. We select button 1 and then go over to add command. And when we do that, we are able to select a device for that command to be sent to. And when we do, we get a whole list of commands that the Spider supports. There's a whole lot of them with Spider. So we're going to scroll down and find the most common command for when controlling a Spider. RSC, recall script queue. This is going to recall command keys in the Spider. So when we select that, you see different arguments below it. ID pertains to command key ID, so we want to type in the text ID of a command key, and Spider queue number in the second text box, second argument. So this will recall a command key in the desired script queue that you want. So we're still in edit mode, and if you actually want to send a command, you need to go up to Start UDC, which puts us into execute mode. So now when we press button 1, we will be sending that command to the device we just defined, which you can also see in the response window. That is the commands that are being sent to the Spider from the UDC software.